Happy New Year! I'm here now at Soler Resort North. Dito tayo mag-spend ulit ng New Year. So, punta na tayo sa buffet. Happy New Year!
Saan si Ford? Bread section. Only wine. Red wine, white wine is only. Free flowing of sodas, wines and beers. So we have juice, cocktail of the night, cranberry, strawberry, green apple, and cucumber. So kasama din dito ang mga soda sa ating drinks. Ani. churros.
Yes, sir.
Ito bongbong.
Yes, po.
Sige natin, sir. Okay.
Pagbigyan lahat, parang isang ulas.
Ay, so this is the tempura. This is a Japanese station.
Evening, yes, sir.
Happy New Year.
How are you?
Japanese station.
Ayo po. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, we are now here at the Italian station. Luto tayo ng pasta. They have the parmesan. Singaporean lobster. Mga organic lobster. And we have the chili lobster. Ito ang sikat at famous dishes. Fresh. So layer resort north.
Ano? Hello?
We have sinigang maya-maya sa miso. Filipino station. Siyempre, white rice. Pansit canton. They have crispy kari-karing bagnet.
Ma'am, ito naman, ano, may halo siyang meat, may halo siyang...
Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, Noel David here. I'm here now at Soler Resort North for the second time, spending my New Year. At syempre, kita naman ninyo to. Ang aking steak platter na ginawa ni Chef JC. O, diba? So, I'm peace. Wala akong masabi. Talagang nung hinanap ko siya, ayan, pinipera niya ako ng isang pangmalakasang steak platter with lechon belly yan eh. Ayan. So may isa pa akong surprise na pinagawang isa sa famous ditong dish din ng fresh. Okay, start na. Cheers! Bilisan ko na lang. Nalulugbog eh. Only steak tayo ngayon. Only lobster. Only drinks. Diba? So, start? Yes. As you can see, I have the butter garlic lobster. And this one, nag-request lang ako. Lobster thermidor. So, ginawa ako ni Chef Angelo. If I'm not mistaken, his name is Angelo. Ayan. Ayan, oh. So, try natin. Try ko muna. Lagyan natin ng... Siyempre, kailangan meron tayong... Squeeze natin ng lemon. Okay. Para na ako umorder ng a la carte nito, ha. Wow. Talaga naman. With mozzarella cheese. Yo, kita niyo yung mozzarella, sumasama talaga. Ang sarap. Ang init. Ang sarap, ang init. As you can see naman talaga, di ba? Ayan. So, worth it naman yung paghihintay ko ng lobster thermidor. Thank you, Soler. O'clock na! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Makadami naman! Patayo! Patayo! Welcome to Soler Resort North. New Year, welcome 2026. Noel David here. Thank you for watching.